This Kwinmyso Solar Street Light delivers genuinely powerful illumination with its dense array of light-emitting diode chips, easily brightening large driveways, yards, or work areas with clear daylight-style light. The integrated motion sensor and remote-controlled modes let you fine-tune brightness, timers, and all-night operation so you can balance security and energy use without climbing a ladder. Its use of copper bracket light-emitting diode technology helps the fixture run cooler and last longer, which is especially valuable for outdoor lights that are on for many hours every night. Because it runs entirely on solar power and does not require a wired connection, it can cut ongoing electricity use to essentially zero, while still providing dependable dusk-to-dawn coverage. The rugged housing with a high weather resistance rating stands up well to rain, wind, and snow, making it a solid choice for year-round outdoor security lighting. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, and the relatively light body makes it easy to mount on walls, poles, or fences, and reposition later if your lighting needs change.